everyone! Today I'm going to be taking my kind of faded, kind of yucky green color, and I'm going to be trimming it and trimming around the sides, and I'm going to be turning it watermelon color. I'm going to do the sides pink and just touch up the green and get rid of this random blue patch that's back here. So first I'm going to put my hair up into a ponytail, and I'm going to trim the ends. Actually, I'm going to do it backwards first. Get it into a ponytail. Make sure that it's all the right length to be able to be put into a ponytail at the end. So go like that. And I'll trim not a lot. Just like this weird green color stuff at the top. Yeah, because my ends are kind of dead. They get tangled, they're frizzy. So just gonna point cut here. I'm by no means a professional. I just do my own hair for fun because I like doing it. And yes, I know these are not hair cutting scissors. I do not own a pair of hair cutting scissors. So, maybe someday, since I do cut my hair a lot. Alright, let's take it down and see how it's looking. Alright, not looking too bad. It's not much shorter, just a little trim. Yeah, you can see when I flip it over, there's a lot of blue left over from when I had blue in my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to get the hair out of my mouth. I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to start with a number 3 because I don't want to go too short, because I still want to be able to bleach the sides. I'm just going to see if this does anything. Yeah. Yeah. I'll take a little bit off. Alright, so I'm just going to actually tie my hair up so I don't get it, so I don't accidentally cut it all off. There we go. Alright, now it's time to trim. Alright, I think that's good. Boy, I'm a mess. I should have worn a cape of some sort. Should have worn a plastic bag. Let me see, do I need to trim around my ears? Yes, I do. Alright, I'm going to trim around my ears a little. Can't quite see. Here we go. Let's do this. Can't see what I'm doing. So I hope it's okay. think that's sort of okay. All right, so now it is bleach time. Yes, I know it's quick bleed. I use it all the time. It's fine. Works for me. Got my plastic bowl, plastic thing, whatever this is. So much hair. Doing 30 developer today. Got a little bit left. Probably enough for one more touch up. Just dropped my clippers on the floor. Hopefully they're okay. Need a table in this bathroom. Not a lot of counter space. Alrighty, do 1 scoop and 2 scoop. Should probably go grab gloves. Sorry, I've got hair all over me now. It's really hot in my house, so it is sticking to me. All right, so I got my gloves. Obligatory glove slap. All right, here's my bleach. Gotta mix it up. Ooh, should have gotten a bigger bowl for this. All right. All right, so that's good enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my roots and then add shampoo to the rest of it and put it throughout my hair to try to get some of the blue out. So what I'm gonna do is put this on the sides and then I'm gonna add shampoo and add it to the rest, so it'll be kind of like a bleach bath. So here we go. All right, so I got that part done. So I'm gonna add a bunch of shampoo to this and add it to the rest of my hair. I'll add some conditioner just for some good, ooh, I just squirted it everywhere. Add some conditioner for good measure. Got conditioner everywhere. Alrighty. I know you're not supposed to do it this way, but I am really bad at sectioning, so here we go. Just drop some on my floor. My eyes are starting to burn. Alright, the eyes are already looking pretty light. Alright, time for the shower cap. Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for like 20, 30 minutes. Probably like 20 minutes. Yeah, because the sides are already getting pretty light. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, it's been about 20, 25 minutes. So now I'm going to wash this out and see what it looks like. All right, so this is where we're at. The sides are light enough for me to put the pink on it. And this is okay because I'm just gonna be mixing blue and yellow anyway. So with a little bit of blue in there, we'll be fine. All right, so I'm gonna dry this and then get started with the dye. All right, so here it is dried. It's a little hard to comb through because one, it's a little more damaged, and two, I didn't put conditioner in because the dye says not to. And today I'm going to be using the Iro. I got neon pink. I got neon yellow and neon blue. I'm going to mix these to make a lime green because their neon green is a little too on the blue side for me. I could have probably just used some of this in with it, but I'll mix up my own shade. So let's get started with that. In the bowl. And a bunch of yellow. Feel like a little kid mixing up paints. Okay, definitely needs more yellow. Oop, got a little on my hand. Alright, still needs more yellow. Let's hope this is enough because I just used up all the yellow. If not, whatever. It's gonna have to be whatever color it turns out. A little darker than I wanted, but it'll do. So what I'm gonna do is put my hair back up. I'm gonna put the pink on the sides first, so hopefully that shields it from any green seeping in. Ooh, that's a nice pink. Because I don't care for this green very much, I'm adding some of the conditioner to it, so hopefully that'll lighten it up a little. So I'm really not a big fan of emerald green. Seems to have helped a little bit. Hopefully it makes it not take as dark. Alright, so time to slather it on here. And again, I'm not good at sectioning, so here goes nothing. Alright, so I got it pretty saturated. Hopefully I got all the roots. Got a little bit of green on the pink part here. Hopefully that'll be all right. Just try to wipe that off. All right, so I'm gonna leave this in for half hour. All right, so it's been in for about half hour or so. So I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna dry it and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here it is finished. Rinsed it out and dried it. And I think it turned out pretty good. Got a little staining on my neck and ears and stuff, but that'll go away. But yeah. I got watermelon hair. All right. Oh, I got a matching watermelon shirt to go with it. Let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye-bye.